What is up, guys? It's Gibberish HS here, and we're gonna be talking about something important to me, something that has made me really sad, something that you probably already know. Warcraft 3 Reforged, or as more commonly known, let's see here. Warcraft 3 Refunded. So, what is going on with Warcraft 3? Basically, Blizzard released Warcraft 3 Reforged way too early, and I was excited about this. You have no idea how excited I was about this. This was my favorite Blizzard game, and it was my favorite Blizzard game of all time. It was so much fun, and the graphics were. So when I heard there were going to be new graphics, there was going to be all these cool stuff, and so what we got at BlizzCon 2018, what we were shown was these cool cutscenes that looked more like a movie shot than anything else. But we didn't get that. And I realized this as I was doing the human campaign, and so this is what we got right here. This is what we should have gotten. And so it's one of those things where you're like, wait, this is what we were supposed to get in 2018, and this is what we got. And so it's one of those things where I'm really sad because it's just really I'm so sad because Warcraft 3 is like my favorite game and they kind of butchered it. I mean, they really did. And if you look here, this is the old one. This is the new one. To be honest, this looks better. And it didn't look like this in the it didn't look like this in the it didn't look like this in the 2018 footage. And when I played the beta, I didn't really pay attention. I was mainly just trying to, you know, I mean, at BlizzCon, I wasn't really paying attention. And to be honest, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I was kind of like brain brainwashed, if you guys be honest. I was totally just like, whatever this is, Warcraft 3 Forged, it's gonna be great, is what I thought. It was gonna be amazing. It was gonna be the best remastered game of all time. And I was so excited about it. I really was. You guys have no idea about it. And even as you saw probably my first me playing the campaign on my channel, I was still having a fun time. But I haven't posted any more videos on that because I've realized, there's something wrong with this. There's something really wrong with this. And I've come to realize, they released this way too early. So the cool scenes we were supposed to get, we didn't get. And then there's this whole thing you probably guys already know with like custom games that you're not allowed to do. Any custom games they own, which is complete bullshit. And then they got all these. It's crazy. It really is sad and crazy for me because when I saw this, I was like, I was brainwashed. I was like, this is going to be amazing. I don't care what happens. Warcraft 3 is like my baby. I'm going to love it no matter what. But it's kind of hard because it's worse than the original. But you still can't play the original anymore because now they took down the original BattleNet. So you can't play with people unless it is this version. So now you're stuck with it. Unless you just do the campaign. And it's just crazy. And so then, like, they also removed a bunch of things, too. And now, one second. And now, as you can see, with a score of 0.7. Oh my. It hurts, guys. It really does. And anyone who says I'm a shill, I'll admit, I was brainwashed into this, alright? I saw this and I was like, this is gonna be great. I didn't care what I saw in the beta. Anything I didn't like in the beta, I was like, it'll fix it. It'll be fine. But they didn't. This was kind of the last thing for me with Reforged. I've always tried to be to support not support Blizzard, but I've always been one of their biggest fans. Blizzard has always been something it's been a part of my life for a long time, and I've always kind of been the forefront of that. I got to go to BlizzCon for the first time, which I'm really glad I did. But, you know, this is kind of ridiculous. And you can tell that this isn't the developers' fault. I do want to say that. This isn't the game developers. This is those top companies, the executive guys, making a decision for some guy in a suit making this crap. He probably was like, okay, we got to make our fourth quarter or third quarter, whatever the hell it is. So we're just going to push this out and do as best we can. And doing that, this is the result. And it's ridiculous. It really is. And I know that I'm not always the harshest to Blizzard, but this is really ridiculous, and it's really sad to see a franchise so horrible. And so I want to play before we end this video. I want to play the Arthas versus Illidan Reforged cinematic. Here we go. It's rough, guys. Here we go. Oh god. It hurts. God. Oh my god, it's so bad. Oh my god. Look how stiff their eyes of their motion. Like their entire it's so stiff. He should be showing way more emotion. This could have been so good. They should have made this a full for the match. Not how graphics. They're fighting like stick figures. Like this could have been so much cool. They should have Blizzard cinematics. So bad. So bad. Watching this the second time, it's still so bad. Oh my god. Let's look at some of the comments. It has more. Oh my god, that's sad. Look at that. It did not have any music, guys. Jeez. Waiting for a remake, and this is what we got. Blizzard, you were not prepared. Yes, I agree. Good thing they don't reveal the cinematic in front of live audience. Otherwise, they would have gotten a round of boos for how they butchered people's expectations. What the fuck? Yes. Exactly. Like even the fighting is not good. Oh my god. It's just the point of this, guys, is that this is like I've lived through a lot of Blizzard crap now. The Hong Kong thing almost drove me to leave, but I didn't, and I you know I kind of I like I just stopped playing most of the games. I unsubscribed to my WoW account, stuff like that, but I still played like Hearthstone, and I still played Overwatch. And now this happens, and this is just it hurts. It really does. So I'm gonna end this video with just saying, Blizzard. I'm gonna leave this with what Bellier said in his video of this. Blizzard, you are a disgrace to what you used to be. You used to be making the best games. You used to make the most genre-defining games of all times. StarCraft was the best RTS. Diablo, best RPG. WoW, the best MMO. Warcraft 3 became the best RTS. And then StarCraft 2 came out and it became the next RTS. Like, you always set these expectations. And it's like what he said when he introduced us to this in 2018. Warcraft 3 created genres. It created Dota 2, basically. That's what they created. And that's why they're doing this whole crap with like any custom game you make, it's ours. That's just complete bullshit. It's crazy. It really is sad. It's sad to see this happen. Yeah. Fuck you, Blizzard.